Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out all ingredients so the recipe flows. Use 2 pounds Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes for creamy texture. Prepare 3 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and chopped, and measure 1/2 cup finely diced dill pickles plus 1/4 cup thinly sliced green onion. In a mixing bowl, combine 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Also set out 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper to season later. Place the potato cubes in a pot, cover with cold water and add a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil and cook 15 to 20 minutes until fork tender. Drain thoroughly and let the potatoes cool slightly for about 10 minutes so they don't absorb too much dressing. In the prepared dressing bowl, fold the warm potatoes with 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons mustard, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Gently stir in the chopped eggs, diced pickles, and 1/4 cup green onion to preserve texture and avoid mashing. Finish the potato salad with classic soul food accents. Fold in 4 cooked crumbled bacon strips and 1/2 cup diced celery for crunch. Add 1 teaspoon hot sauce and 1 tablespoon pickle juice to sharpen the dressing, then sprinkle 1/2 teaspoons smoked paprika for subtle smokiness. Adjust seasoning with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, tasting as you go to balance acidity and heat. Chill the salad at least 2 hours to let flavors meld. Then remove from the fridge and serve at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.